Extended service life. Application-specific advanced raceway design reduces stress, rotation and heat on components. Easy to install, engineered and designed for fast, hassle-free installation. Corrosion protection. Coated wheel studs resist corrosion and rust for easier removal and proper torquing. Rigorous testing. Comprehensive testing throughout design and development processes by MOOG engineers for quality you can count on. Damage resistance. Abrasion-resistant ABS cord resists damage, contamination and vibration that may lead to premature wear. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG hub assemblies deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly. Bought this for my 2WD 2001 Suburban after the factory recall didn't fix my ABS from activating at low speed. I probably could have just replaced the sensor, but the vehicle is 20 years old with 170k miles. So I decided to just replace the whole hub. I bought one for each front wheel since I didn't know which side had the bad sensor. I replaced the driver side first, which fixed the issue. The old hub was very difficult to remove. Watch some YouTube. Since I had such a hard time removing the hub and the issue is fixed, I decided to return the second hub. I will wait until I need to replace to other side, but I will buy another MOOG 515054 when it's needed.